Hey there everybody, it's Jamie here and a very warm welcome to you all to Travel Blog Jamie. And welcome to this, my pre-cruise day vlog. We're walking, getting my priorities straight. Well, this has the makings of a very interesting trip. Tonight I'll be staying at London Heathrow Terminal 5, the Thistle, and taking one of those fabulous pods there. Ahead of an early morning flight tomorrow with British Airways to Milan, Italy, before joining Costa Toscana in Savona. It's all happening. Oh look, it's my bus to London Heathrow. Yes, on time. Awesome. This bus stop literally a 5-minute walk from my home. Let's do this. Good amount of space, accessible, and even some USB ports. And here we are, London Heathrow Terminal 5. 1 hour, 15 minutes later, here we are at London Heathrow. That was so easy. Actually quicker than taking the train here from Basingstoke, plus a lot cheaper. Right, well, welcome to Terminal 5. I actually need one of the T5 pods to the Thistle Hotel. I haven't got a Scooby where they are. All right, a quick search online, and apparently I need level 2 business car park. Well, there you are. Google never lies, does it? Of course it does. Just not today. All right, pod parking. I don't need to park. I just need the pods. I feel like with all of you here, I'm going to be okay. I'm going to make it. Oh my God, look how cool this is. It's like space travel. And the operating times of the pods. I don't know how this works. Let's use a screen, shall we? All right, I can do that. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the Thistle. Are you going to pod parking station B? Is that okay? Yeah. Please board. Oh my God, look. Oh, I love this so much. Right, so closed doors. I can do that. How awesome is this?
Ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Press start. You're going to pod parking station B.
Press start, okay. Start, lady, start. Oh my goodness! Look how cool this is! Oh, I'm in Geek-orama heaven. Apparently this takes 5 minutes. This is so cool. I haven't even had to pay yet. I'm guessing I pay when I arrive at the hotel? Who knows? Someone knows. Oh! We are travelling at pace now. Best ride of my life. It's still cold in here though.
The doors will open automatically.
Thank you very much, lady. Oh, yes, we are
Thanks
just...
for travelling on Heathrow Park.
Oh, you're welcome. It was a pleasure. We are parking.
Don't forget your bags.
Okay. Honestly cool AF. Right, let's find this hotel. Alrighty, pod station is just there and the access to the Thistle Heathrow here. Right, looks like we need to call the hotel. I'm in. It's freezing. I mean, like freezing. I think it's -4 degrees here at the moment. Help me. Help me, everyone. Oh, thank goodness. I need to warm up. Very nice welcome at reception. And then the guys who are checking in next to me recognize me. I'm just saying hi and I hope you have a great time on board MSC. I think it was Seaview you're doing. Then the lady checking me in overheard and she's like, are you a vlogger? I'm like, oh, yes. So thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it very much. It's a small world, isn't it? Right, standard room for me, 464. All right, the big reveal. 3, 2, 1. All right, it's standard. Yes, it looks perfectly acceptable to me. A number of the reviews on TripAdvisor criticised the fact that the rooms are, I quote, tired, plus the fact that there are no lifts in this hotel, and the hotel does cover 2 floors, with the restaurant and bar being on the 1st floor, so you would have to navigate some steps to use some of the facilities. Well, listen up, folks. £58 to stay here for the night. Considering you can access the pod for £8 directly to Terminal 5 at London Heathrow, I am very pleased with that. Now, this is, as I say, a standard room. It ain't the biggest, the most spacious airport hotel room I've had before, and it's definitely not the most modern either. However, It's very clean, and I feel that it's quite comfy actually, so I am absolutely fine with this. I'll give you a more thorough tour a bit later, but because I've been freezing my heebie-jeebies off, I want to warm up, and therefore I think we should hunt down the bar, don't you? That was a rhetorical question, by the way. I'm going to hunt down the bar and have a drink. Right, let's check out some of the facilities and get a drink. There's a very cute little mini market here. Yes, it is a mini market. Oh, booze. Pringles, thank you for that. Crisps, chocolate, etc. Water, soda, and yes, booze. That's a good range. And you know what I love about this? You are trusted to do your own checkout. Fabulous. Comfy little lounge area. I suppose you could just chill out here or grab some snacks from the mini market. Some essentials here, including adapters and toiletries. I'm a fan of an airport hotel that also has the departures board. Thank you for that. Extra brownie points for a Costa machine. Oh, I wonder if I can use my Costa app here. I bet I can. Aha! This looks like it might be the way to the Aviator sports bar and restaurant. You know me, I love a sports bar, don't I, folks? Yep, I'm still going the right way. Oh, I've never been to Brazil. I feel like I need to put that right. I've never been to Japan. I feel like I need to put that right. I've never been to Marrakesh. I feel like I need to put that right. Blimey, this hall goes on in Ariston, doesn't it? Made it. Okay, this is a decent sized bar. Definitely gonna have some fodder later as well. Not bad at all, folks. Not only is the bar a good size, there's also an outdoor area. This would be great in the summer. Looks like it's not far from the runway. Cheeky vodka and Diet Coke. Cheers, everybody. Here's to a fabulous trip. I hope. I don't think it would be much fun playing that on my own. Robin's dinner. Alrighty, folks, a look at the menu here. It is not the cheapest, as you can imagine. It is, however, a Jamie-friendly menu, so I think I'm going to be alright. I really do. Oh my goodness, I see a double meat palace there. Name that show. Your sides and your desserts. They also have daily deals here at the Thistle. I think I prefer Monday and Tuesday's deals. Alright, let's do this. I could eat a shaggy dog's tail. Spicy, crispy cauliflower bites for me with ranch. They really are fiery, and the ranch quite cooling. I don't mind either way. Give me your fire. Very nice. Ooh. I think that's gonna sting tomorrow. Sorry. For my main, the chicken parm, which comes with garlic bread, and that is one wodge of garlic bread. It may not be haute cuisine, but it's actually very tasty, and there's a load of it. If I'm going to pay £16 for something like this, I better get a lot, and they delivered a lot. Cheers. Well, you are welcome. Well, unsurprisingly expensive, but surprisingly tasty. The hotel offers bed, breakfast and dinner packages. Book directly with the hotel to see what deals are on offer. Alrighty, back in my room for a quick tour. Storage space wise, well, I'm not sure you're going to need a lot here. We've got a wardrobe, although I've only got 2 hangers. Big shelf up there. Well, there is an ironing board, I believe. Yes, and iron, plus your in-room safe. And this side we have a little bit more hanging space, another shelf with some towels. Our workstation / vanity area is not too bad a size. I love the fact that you get 2 complimentary bottles of water with your room. You are going to say to me, no, you've paid for that in the price. Fair enough. And look, shortbread round or butter nom. Tea and coffee making a facilities here, as one would expect. There are also a number of sockets / outlets. So we've got our UK sockets too here, plus USB ports, another UK socket here and here. Two down here. I don't think there are any either side of the bed. No, there aren't. So you're going to need to charge your devices over in this area, but there's plenty of sockets there, especially if you've got about 15 people sharing your room or with multiple devices. Let's test this bed out. On the springy side, I would say medium to soft and a bit springy. Let's see how we sleep, eh? You see how inclusive I am of you. I said, let's see how we sleep. And of course, it's just me on my own. But, you know, if you want to come over and try the mattress out, be my guest. Just being inclusive. Gorgeous chair here, so you can sit and survey the bed. I mean, that's all you've got a view of. We have bedside units with drawers as well. We love a bedside unit with a drawer, don't we, folks? We do. And you can operate the electrically lighting either side of the bed as well. There is a near floor to ceiling mirror here and the good old fashioned bathroom. One thing that is a bit annoying is that the door literally is in front of the toilet. I know you can close it, I know you can, but I don't think there's a huge amount of space there. Let's have a look on the John. It's okay. I mean, I've had bigger cruise ship bathrooms, that's for sure, but it's perfectly acceptable. It's very clinical, isn't it? White tiles everywhere, as you can see. Tiny little shower head, tiny little thing. Bathtub, I think you could probably get 2.5 people in there. A little bit of storage space with a shelf, a little bit of space around our sink basin. What on earth is this? Zero naturally kind formulation hand wash. I'm not sure I've ever heard of those. Likewise up here, you've got hair and body wash and conditioner. I think we can all agree, nothing to necessarily write home about, nothing particularly memorable in this room, but it is functional and, as I said before, pretty comfortable actually. The control for an AC unit, the temperature in here is actually pretty fine for me, I must say. Considering this is just over £50 for the night with fantastic access to Terminal 5 via the pods, I really have nothing to complain about. And the bar was nice and the food was nice and plentiful, if not a bit ka-ching. It's all right. Alrighty, I have a 4 a.m. wake up call for a very early flight, so I need to hit the sack and sack the hit as well. I'll see you in the morning. Let's see how we sleep, you and me, and then we're going to make our way back to Terminal 5 via the pod, check in for our flight with British Airways. Off we go to Savona, Italy, and ready to join Costa Toscana. Let's see how this goes. Good night, my darlings. I do love you and 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 you. Don't love you up there. Good night. Oh well, good morning everybody and welcome to 4 a.m. I've had a quick shower, done me tooth, ready to roll or crawl. Well, it took me a little while to get to sleep. That was just because my mind was active. Always the way, isn't it, when you want to get an early night? The room's quite quiet. You can hear noise from the hall, the corridor, when people are going back and forth to their room. But that's because they were like, yada, 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 too much beverage. Otherwise, it was fine, actually. Now, you can buy yourself a ticket to use the pod from reception. I did that last night at check-in to save time this morning. So I'm going to enter this code to pass through that large iron gate that I couldn't get through yesterday evening. And then you just board your pod back to Terminal 5. Bye, little room. Thanks for the memories. Right, let's see if we can get to Savona. Right. I'm a bit scared to go outside because we are in significant minus figures this morning, folks. Yep, that is cold. In case you're wondering, the hotel offers stay, park and flight packages. Prices can and do fluctuate, so contact the hotel directly if you need one of these packages. Oh my god, it is so cold. Well, I made it back to the pod station. Here it comes. Right, we made it. Thank you, Heathrow Pods. Pretty straightforward way of travelling. Right, we're now going to head to departures. Welcome to the home of British Airways. Well, let's hope so. Oh, it's a bit warmer in here. My trusty organised AF travel blog Jamie wallet with all my documents, passport. Oh yes, it's shameless product placement time. For all your travel essentials, head to travelblogjamie.com. There are plenty of products to choose from the 4-piece packing cube set, drawstring bag, tote bag, a range of t-shirts and hoodied with some of my well-known sayings, a canvas boat bag, an ocean mist hand and body wash, thermal bottle, hoodie, to the organised AF wallet and pouch I've just shown you at the airport. Alright, we just use these screens to check in and get your boarding pass. Right, first job done. Next job, bag drop. Oh, it's normally Matthew who does this. I'm not very good at this sort of thing. Okay, I think that's it. My little bag. Got my receipt. Next job, security. And there we are, folks, all done. All in all, about 20 minutes from when I arrived. Check-in, bag drop, security, and now here, ready to fly. Look at the beast that is Terminal 5. Ooh, coffee! You can't judge me for that. It's 5:45 a.m. I need a life force, a desperado life force. Thank you, my friend. Cheese and Marmite. Get in my tum. Okay, folks, the next adventure is about to begin. Time to fly to Milan, Italy, ahead of my cruise with Costa Cruises around the Mediterranean. Make sure you have subscribed and turn on notifications ready for that journey. Make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications ready for that next series. You'll be coming with me as we experience Costa Toscana sailing the Mediterranean for 1 week together. Yeah, you and me. Come on, let's do this. Thank you for your amazing level of support as we now head towards 36,000 subscribers. Today's shout-outs go to my gorgeous tiers 3, 4 and 5 patrons. And oh my goodness gracious me, yes, you too could become a patron. Just search patreon.com/travelblogjamie. For your personalised video messages, just search cameo.com/travelblogjamie. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, Jamie W. Robbins, X, Threads, Instagram, and Blue Sky at Travelblog Jamie. And of course, right here, right now on YouTube.